ahoy, mates. What adventure awaits? No, laughing stock. That's one whale of a storm. We better go run and hide.
It'll be your hide if you turn tail, Percy. Be brave. Brave the waves. Oh, look ahead. It's Bravery Cave. You have to go inside.
I'm not brave.
Oh, yes, you are. You just don't know it. You have to go inside.
I'm scared. There's something in there.
There sure is, Pirate Percy. Don't you want some treasure?
Sure, but...
Well then, you have to go inside.
Come inside, Percy. There's a new friend in there, and he wants to play a game.
But I don't know how to play.
Oh, he'll show you exactly what to do. Come on. I'll hold your hand. Come inside. Come on inside.
Hello? Is anyone in here?
Hello, Percy. Welcome to Candle Cove.